northwest 21 at the ocean front. But like I said, it blows down and off the beach, west. Now I'm going to take you and let you look at the bay. God. It's the rocks at Rudy Inlet. At 7 o'clock this morning. The bay is like a washing machine. It blows right on the beach northwest. The way the bay situates different than the ocean. I'll give you a close-up in a minute from the actual on the beach. Tide's low now. Tide will be high in about 4 hours. Got snow flurries. Snow flurries now. Look at that great snow clouds. God. We're getting ready to ride over to the restaurant depot, and we stopped by the fish house where I used to hang out at and get some. I just want to let you see the ice, what the ice looks like when it's not fish season. That's a big pile of ice, isn't it? He's remodeling one of his coolers with some really thick, dense foam insulation. Man, that's some thick stuff right there. Well, you can see it's still cloudy. Sun will come out for a second, it'll get cloudy. We had snow flurries. We got our honeydews done. Me and Lowtide Tim and George. We stopped by and had some lunch. Now me and Jack, we're going to dig in the dirt for a while. We're going to that spot, that old field spot where we're on. It's 4 o'clock exactly right now, 4 o'clock. So we're going to shoot up here for about an hour or two and peek around. It's windy, cold. But at least in the fields we'll be a little bit protected to a degree from the cold sea breeze. Let's stand by, we'll see how it goes. So, chilly day to go detecting. If somebody's trying to get to it, his rope's too short. He can't get to it. I don't know what the hell it is. Well, the first couple targets were nails. Here we got I don't know what we got. 32 minus 2. Jumps all around. Stand by, we'll see what it is. A big old piece of aluminum. Crapo. Well, here we had a 32 and a minus 8. Somewhere in this claw right here is a big piece of iron. And I had to dig all them roots out. And right there, you can see some kind of coin. Stand by, let's see what that taquito is. I'm pretty sure it's a penny. can't tell if it's old or new with these glasses I got on. Stand by. Looks like a new penny to me. Hold on. Well, I can see 1 cent right now. So I know it's a weedy of some sort. Well, here we've got a strong 34. I don't know what it is. Stand by. I don't know what we got here. Now we got 2 targets. Somewhere. $38.42. Now we got a solid 20, 22, 28. That's the 22. That's the 38. Stand by. We got action of some sort. Well, we got a letdown. The little bright yellow piece, chrome looking piece, was the 42.38, and the 22.24 was that piece of steel, aluminum, or I don't know what it is. But that was a good sound. You see, it's got some kind of intricate little pattern on it. And that's just a piece of, I don't know what. This was a 48. This was a 46, 44, 48. And it looks interesting from here. I got it out. It fell back in the hole. So I know it's flat. It looks like brass. And on the back, it looks like a belt buckle. It's going to take some cleaning up to see what this taquito is right here now. I'm excited. Stand by. Well, we dug some more nails and some pull tabs. Now we got a nice 40, 42, 38. Good repeatable sound. Stand by. Well, we didn't get it out with the initial plug, but you can see it's right there. Right on the side of that cutout. I missed it by a little bit. Stand by. Well, it looks like a dog tag or some kind of tag. We'll clean it up, see what it says when we get home. Well, I swung back over the hole and got another one of those things. This one's got, I thought it might be a button of some sort. It looks like on the back. Maybe it's the other side of that one. I don't know. Stand by. I know you can't see it because it's really fine and thin. But look right on Jack's back. That's snow. It's snowing. Look at that. Big old Jack. You're a snowball. Yeah, you'll be a snowball in a minute. You can't hardly see it against that tree. But we got falling snow live. Stand by. Live. See it right there? Live snowflake. Well, there's the nut from the field today. I dug some iron today so I could maybe get some of that. There's so much iron in there. If I take out a little bit each time, it may enhance the next time I go back to get rid of all that crap. Anyway, there's a 38. Didn't dig but 138 and a bullet. I got 2 dog tags, consecutive number, 76 and 77. 1940. 1949. No, both of them 1949. Both Virginia male, it says. And then I dug this cool belt buckle. As soon as I touched the thing on the back, it fell off, so you'll see it before I touched it, I should say. I can't see where it's got any writing on it. It apparently had something mounted on it, maybe. This course was mounted on these two holes right here. And when I touched it, they fell off. So I know what those two holes are for, but I don't know what the rest are for. But, you know, it's pretty cool. A big brass belt buckle. And I got a wheat penny, a 1917 wheat penny. And then I got this. I showed you a picture of it when I first dug it up, but I didn't know what it was. Well, I should say I still don't know what it is. Come around there, you little strumpet, you. As you can see, it's got some nice little carvings on it. It's silver, at least that's what it says. Here's what it says. It's cool. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in this picture, but I'm going to take a still picture. You'll be able to see it. It says 99Z, or either 992. And I can't make a difference between a Z and a 2, but I'm pretty sure it's 99Z. And it says silver next to that. And then just below that, it says 22K GF. I guess that's gold filled. But, you know, it's so tiny, I don't know what it could be. As you can see, it's got some intricate little doodads on it. This camera doesn't do very good close-ups right on top of it. At least I don't think it does. Let's see. No, it don't work too close up. That's cool. Like I said, that's pretty cool. I don't know, have no clue what it is, but you know, different. Okay, probably go back there. I don't know if I'll go tomorrow or not. It'll be pretty warm tomorrow. It's cold and snow flurries today, and Saturday is supposed to be a high of 29. A 29 a high. God. All right, see ya. Stand by for whatever happens tomorrow. Good luck to you.